Being able to build a scene is very important because it allows you to create a whole image. You can bring different materials into the picture, different textures, different shapes, different forms. You can really bring something to life that didn't exist ever before. Hey everyone, I'm Jarek Elliott and I am a designer turned animator. You might have seen my work in YouTube making tutorials, or you might have seen it on Instagram where I'm creating some things that just pop into my mind from time to time. In this class, we're going to learn a lot more modeling techniques, in particular modeling with modifiers like the skin modifier. We'll also spend a lot of time using some subdivision surface modeling techniques to create more rounded forms like the cushions on the chair we'll be creating, and using pre-made assets that help you save a lot of time and still have a really high quality look. And I'll also walk you through a couple other little tricks like doing some basic cloth simulation and how to use text in your scene to create 3D objects that you can place on walls. Now, even though by the end of this class we're going to have sort of an architectural room scene with some pieces of furniture in it and some art on the wall, you don't have to be particularly interested in that exactly if you want to take this class. Because even if you're doing character animation, you need somewhere to put the character. If you're doing product design or product animation, you need a scene to put those products into. You should take this class if you feel a little bit comfortable with where you're at with Blender. Maybe you know how to move things around, do some very basic commands, but maybe you're struggling a little bit with where to take your model. Besides that, come hungry to learn, come with some ideas, think about what you might want to create in Blender. I'm so excited you're here with me today on this class. Let's get started.